All right, new day, new job. Here we are. We're going to be pulling some million in. And of course, there's never a decent way to do things except taking it and trying to do our best to make it happen. So here we go. Alrighty, stand by. Okay, so we're going to be putting the sock in a bit on the cable. It's going to be about 700 feet, a million. Alrighty. We was going to pull from this side, but we didn't expect this on this side today. But anyways, we'll do what we got to do. All right, here we go. Back to this other job that we done before. Now we're gonna running some long spans. So we're gonna be IDing the duct and then doing our pilot line. New stuff to these new places that are coming up around this place. Nice, always nice to have a new bolt to rig off. I send it! All right, stand by. Okay, so I'm attempting to get an ID from the other side, the pulling side. So
he needs an ID, so if you can send him an ID so he knows which one to buy out to.
All right, stand by. Okay, this one. All right, Sammy! Okay, got his ID. Okay, stand by. All right, tell him to stand by. We got his ID. We're gonna start rigging up. All right. Gonna be taking the jacket off. The kid's doing a fine job. Oh, come on. Man. Only 10,000 people watching you at this moment. It's okay, you got a little scared. New helper, she's doing a great job. All right, make sure you do it right now. Not a million people watching you. But otherwise, it splits the insulation here so we can cut it off and get down to where we need to put the sock on. All right, stand by. All right, here we go. Everything's crowded and never a good way. Hey, you want me to mention your name, Petzl? No? Okay. Anyway, this is what we got going. So what's cooking? What's shaking over here?
Taking off the jacket.
Awesome.
Getting ready to put the sock on.
Dang. Alrighty, everything's looking great. All right, since we don't have the right position for the cable, we're gonna be using the feed tube. We'll tie it up here so the cable will come in down around that corner of the concrete down there so we don't kink the cable or damage it or anything. So that's what we use the feed tube for. All right, stand by. All right, this guy's doing a fine job taking all the stuff off the cable so we can put our pulling sock on there. All righty. All right, these guys are doing an awesome job.
Right from the beginning,
you want done prepping the cable so we can pull the sock on there.
Hey, Tony, or Jeff, hey, there's a call in another street.
All right, here we go. The guy's putting on the sock.
Just doing a dry run.
Dry run
to
make sure.
Get a measurement for where we're going to put our notch and hose clamps.
Awesome. There it is. Looking great. They took off enough of insulation here, so if they need to move it up or down, they got plenty and no one had to backtrack. All righty, stand by. Okay, so here's our feed tube. Like I said, we might have to use it because this is too high right here to turn the corner with just the cable and trying to float it. So we're gonna use the feed tube so it'll bypass and there's no problems with the cable getting damaged or something. All right, so this is what we got going. We're tying up my feed tube. They're gonna hold the string for me. So now, when it does come down, the cable is gonna be focused going down that way, gently, and hopefully the problem is, this is such a long piece here, it'll kink up right here, now we damage the cable. So that's what we use the feed tubes for. Alrighty, stand by. Okay, so what we got here is our pilot line, and it's attached to the flat line. They're gonna take it back, and with this one, I'm gonna bring back the steel so we can pull the cable in. So meantime, this is what we're gonna be doing right now. I'm waiting on the Gilhooly for the duct right there. Alrighty, stand by. All right, here we go. Okay. Now, once they get it, we'll bring back their steel and try to get this cable in. It's a little awkward the way we're gonna be doing it with the feed tube, just for the sake of not damaging the cable. As it turns the corner right up here, usually we don't have that kind of buildup right here, as you see all that cement right there, the wall. Usually we don't have that. All right, stand by. All right, everything's looking great. They're taking our pilot line so we can bring back the steel. All right. Yeah. All right. All right, so they got a rope over there, so now we're gonna bring back their steel. So how to break it up. Like I always say at times, figure 4 is your best friend. And up to the top. And they got a corner roller up there. What? Take. So this is what we got out here. We're gonna be taking it back. Gotta extend the rope a little bit, so we're gonna be shamming some stuff. There it is. See that? All right. All right, take it like a man whenever they're ready. Okay. Okay, so meantime, we got the corner roller there.
The cable.
There you go.
If someone doesn't get it all stopped, and
Goes
starts
to the side of the truck.
Instead of ripping and fucking up the cable halfway through our pool,
And it goes to that block there, around the corner to the capstan.
It'll still be okay.
All right.
It serves a couple purposes, mainly just to protect the vehicle.
All right, the steel's on its way still, and I was asking the kid here, I won't mention his name, but his name is Eric, and I asked him if, how do we check for how tight the rope is? Sometimes we check it by tapping the rope to feel a little bit of the tension, and it's being a good pull without any harder pressure on the rope that's pulling back the steel. So we could eventually pull back the cable. So that's one way right here. Right there, it's not too bad. It's almost here anyways too, so that's a lot of weight when you're dragging the steel back. All right. Okay, and there it is. Okay, remember what I told you? Yell it out real bad.
With the radio or out there?
Just up here.
I see it.
Okay, tell them when.
Yeah.
Yo!
Alright, I'll stop.
Come on, look, you gotta yell it. Alrighty, we got our steel. Alright, now, after that, we'll rig up for the cable and we'll send it back. Alright, stand by. Alright, we're gonna take off some of the rigging off. 3 bells on the steel. And that's it. Alright, now with the cart that was here, parked, left, now we can reposition our truck to get a better pull, and we won't have to use that feed tube that's on the ground now. Oh, you guys messed up, so I was gonna use it, but not no more. Alrighty, stand by. Alright, so we repositioned the truck. Now we don't have to use the feed tube and stuff. It's gonna go in there very nice. Alright, stand by. Alright, letting some stuff out. So as you can see from down here now, I brought the cable right over the hole, so I was going to use that V-tube because of the angle on the cable, but not no more. All right, stand by. All right, cable coming down. Hooking it up to our steel so they can take it back. All right, stand by. All right, so we got our cable all hooked up. We're gonna be taking it back. And very slow. And get this pulled done. All right. Million cable. New vaults, new equipment eventually. It's all new construction outside. So that's why it's beautiful down here. And very big and tall, look at that. All right, stand by. All right, then taking back our cable. So we're gonna be taking back all the slack, and then I'll be able to finagle the cable inside the conduit, and with the gilhooly there to keep it from hitting the edges and getting damaged. All right, stand by. All right, slowly but surely, she's going up. We do it slow, so no hiccups, no nothing. So it'll just go in there very nice. So just kind of hold on a little tension on the cable. So she'll creep up in there and then I'll be able to push it in there. All right. Okay. There she goes. Ooh, this stuff is heavy. One more push up, and she'll be inside. Gotta wait for the tension to build, and then there she is. Alrighty. Okay. She's in the duct. Alright, she's in the duct. Give me some cable. Alrighty, that's the way it goes. There it is. Nice, keep that right there. There she is. 34.5 million cable. Alrighty.
You want me to go faster?
Yeah, a little bit more. Feed it. Feed it. All right, so since that car left, now we're able to float the cable. Give me some more. Give me some more cable. So we just gotta find the right ratio. All right, stand by. All right, so as of right now, it's looking great. Cable's going in. Trying to keep the same position. Maybe add some more. Floating it down still. Yeah. Okay, hold that. Floating it down. It's coming along real nice. And we eliminated that feed tube like I said earlier. All right. All right, the cable's going in there still real nice. But what I've been doing is, since we have all the noise across the fence and it's too loud, I've been hand signaling the operator up there. He's been watching my hand signals. So when I go like this, slow it down a tad. And then when I go like this, that means just speed up because it's getting real tight over here. So the hanging signals always work. And that's what I'm doing right now. Hand signaling. Slow down. See, he's going too fast right now. I need him to slow down. See this big old bag I got going? So I'm trying to eliminate the bags by slowing them down. Hand signal. Alrighty, stand by. Alrighty, I'm having a good time here because on this side of the wall there's the excavating and all kinds of stuff, and it feels like that guy's machine's gonna come right through the wall on me. You can literally feel the pounding of the walls already. But anyways, we're about 400 or 500 feet in, and we're almost there. Alright. Alright, we're about 500 or so in.
Right there, that should be it. Got the duck right there.
Oh yeah?
More or less.
Okay. So coming up about right here is where it'll be, should be in the other duct already, on the other vault. Almost 700 feet away, I think, 700. All right, then I got my assistant right here helping me with the lighting. He's doing a great job. All righty, stand by. All right, well, they're slowing down big time, so they probably have cable. They're probably taking it to the wall or to that block, and then they're gonna do an all stop. Man, the big bulldozer next door is really feeling it through here. All right, kick to stop. All right. You got cable? Got cable? Awesome. All righty. Another nice pull. No hiccups. Everything went well. Lubed the cable also with the slime, and good to go. All right, we'll be standing by for a little bit. They got to re-rig to put the belly band and to slip the cable for extra for the seniors. All righty, stand by. Okay, we're gonna take the gilhooly out. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna pull it out. Yo! Yeah! Give me a little one up on the one line. Up on the one. Take up the cable a little bit. Yo! Okay, pull it up. Yeah, a little bit more. Pull that. Good. All right, taking out the gilhooly. Slide all the way out now. Okay, all right. Okay, put your duck shield so we can drop the cable. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to get it in place. All right, good job. Wiggle, wiggle, go, always works. Come on, lift it, come on, let's go. Come on, there you go. Put the one up over the top. All righty, fine job. Good job, Keith. All right, now unscrew this. You see the bolts on there? Yeah. All right, unscrew. Come on, you gotta go for it. Good job. Okay, once he takes the gilhooly off, we're gonna put the slack into the cable all the way around the vault. That's what they wanted. All righty, stand by. Got it? Hold on to it because it's gonna split on you. Okay, my assistant comes back to me. All righty. Got it?
That's going slow.
Okay. It's okay, take your time, only a million people watching. Okay. All right, remember, it's gonna be splitting. Let me have one. Gilhooly, it saves the edge. See how this is this is okay, but other ones are really like raspy like that one. Come on, you can do it. If not, hold on, lift it and wiggle it around. All right. All right, we ourselves are slipping the cable now on this side. So we're taking as much as we can for the seniors. Okay, let's start turning the corner, pull that way. Hold it!
Hold it.
Hold that way, yeah. All right. All right, down slow.
Down slow.
Okay, here we go. All right, so we're pretty much done. I guess they're gonna cut the cable upstairs for me. And And this is what we got going. Hey, this is what they wanted, so this is what we give them. Alrighty. Alright, that's it. Setting up everything. So this is what we got. All the cables down. Everything turned out okay. It looks like a mess, but the seniors come and do all the splicing, and that's where you get the beautiful that you see. One more time. Alright, stand by. Alright, that's a wrap. Alrighty, till the next one.